Welcome back to my channel, Learning Spanish with Words. Today we're going to go through the letter D and convert them to Spanish. Here we go. Dresses, cómodas, cómodas. Delete, borrar, borrar. Died, murió, murió. Dream, sonar, sonar. Dry, seco, seco. Dust, polvo, polvo. Delayed, retrasado, retrasado. Did they cancel? Cancelaron, cancelaron. Disgust, discutido, discutido. Dress, vestido, vestido. Demanding, exigentes, exigentes. Drive, conducir, conducir. Dramatic, dramaticos, dramaticos. Download, descargar, descargar. Drawing, dibujar, dibujar. Dangerous, peligrosos, peligrosos. Dinosaurs, dinosaurios, dinosaurios. Details, detalles, detalles. Draw, cajon, cajon. Drum, tambor, tambor. Duck, pato, pato. Dawn, as in sunrise. Amanecer, amanecer. Delete, borrar, borrar. Dizzy, mareada, mareada. Definitely, definitivamente, definitivamente. Dustpan, escoba, escoba. Dry, seco, seco. And that is the end of this session for D converted to Spanish words. Come back soon because we're going through the alphabet, and before long we'll be at Z. Thanks for watching and listening, and before I go, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so we can get a big channel here. Thanks for watching. See you later. Hasta luego.